how to set auto delete message on Telegram. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to Telegram application. So I use iOS mobile phone or iPhone. And Telegram homepage, go to setting on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap settings. In settings, okay, here you can see the privacy and security. Okay, tap this. And privacy and security, you can see here the auto delete message. So the auto delete message is off. So you can tap this and you can see the option here, and okay, you can set into off after 1 day, after 1 week, after 1 month, or you can set into custom time. So for my example, I set in custom time. So you can tap this and I set into 6 days. Okay, after you set, tap the set auto delete button. And another pop-up, so self-destruct timer. Are you sure you want all message in your new private chat and a new group you create to be automatically deleted for everyone 6 days after they are sent? You'll have to do is tap the enable auto deletion. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the auto delete message on Telegram. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.